Your eyes are your window to the world. They may provide just one of 5 senses, but your eyes are responsible for receiving most of the sensations from the world around you. Some activities can tire your eyes. The solution is clear. Bilberry. Lutein from marigold. The botanicals bilberry and lutein from marigold are grown on sustainable NutriCert farms. Nature meets science. NUTRILITE controls the entire process from seed to supplement, ensuring that only the highest quality ingredients go into NUTRILITE products. All that without any artificial sweeteners, colours, flavours and preservatives. Your eyes are your window to the world. Make sure you see everything that's important to you. The clear choice for good vision.